Oppo is gradually revealing new details about its upcoming foldable flagship, the Oppo Find N6, as anticipation builds ahead of its expected debut in China. Last time, we were treated with behind-the-scenes videos that showed the manufacturing process of the foldable device. In a recent Weibo post, a company executive has now confirmed that the Oppo Find N6 will introduce notable camera innovations to the foldable segment. According to Find Series product manager Zhou Yibao, the Oppo Find N6 will feature what is described as the only Hasselblad-tuned 200-megapixel ultra-clear quad camera system in the foldable category. The executive also confirmed that Oppo's Dansha color reproduction technology will debut on a foldable phone for the first time as well. This system is believed to rely on a multispectral sensor designed to capture environmental color data more accurately, enabling improved color consistency and more natural-looking images. The Weibo post further confirms the existence of the Find N6 Satellite Edition. Reports suggest the rear camera setup may include a large sensor 200-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a periscope telephoto camera with optical zoom capabilities alongside the dedicated Dansha color module. The partnership with Hasselblad is expected to further refine color tuning and image processing. Beyond imaging, reports indicate that the Find N6 could feature an 8.12-inch 2K 120Hz foldable inner display paired with a 6.62-inch FHD Plus 120Hz cover screen. It could be powered by a 7-core Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 platform. Additional leaks point to configurations offering up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. Battery capacity is expected to reach around 6,000 mAh, with support for fast wired charging. Oppo has also hinted at improvements aimed at eliminating the display crease, suggesting advancements in hinge design and materials. It will also have other features such as ColorOS 16 based on Android 16, a customizable button, and a side-facing fingerprint sensor. As per a recent report, the Oppo Find N6 will debut on March 17th, but we don't know yet whether the device will also launch on the same day in other markets. With that said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily tech updates, and I'll see you guys on the next one.